If you're looking for instant loan here in Nigeria and you actually need a loan for different kind of purposes, in this video we are going to review benefits and what you can actually get using money in minute platform to request for your next loan here in Nigeria. There are different features and there are different reasons why you might actually need a loan, but on this platform you can actually get from 5,000 to 5 million naira loans without any collateral or any mortgage here in Nigeria using moneyinminute.ng. And also they also listed the reason why you might actually need a loan, which must be under this list, which they also provide on their platform. Be it you actually need a loan to pay bills, food and provisions, pocket money, rent, medical bills, business, investment, car expenses, education, emergency, special events, entertainment, or debt consideration. Be it of any of this reason, you can just choose that reason, then put amount of money you actually want in this section. Then from there you can click on get started. You can input any amount of loan you needed. Also, it was launched by the Central Bank of Nigeria, as you can see on this platform here, and as well as the NDPR audit on this platform. So they offer quick loan, elite loan, credit builder, elite plus loan, credit builder plus as well. So it might be for a business purpose or a personal use. So definitely this website is going to offer you a loan that you actually need. And trust me, this website is very different from every other website which I've been reviewing, as they also have the you can also request for a loan using the website directly. I haven't seen their mobile app yet, but I guess they are actually on iOS device, but I haven't seen the Android app already yet. But I'll provide the link for iOS user who actually want to download this app in the description below. And if you also want to start a farming or a business, to be precise, this website is just right for you. You can also build a financial lifestyle that actually works for you. You have quick access to finance in a minute, flexible, and how you can actually pay back any amount of loan you requested for on this particular platform. There are some other competitors like Money in Minute as well, but trust me, this Money in Minute is actually different from every other app, as most of online loan apps don't used to offer a loan using their web browser, but this platform will offer you a loan while you visit their website. And I haven't seen their mobile app, like I said earlier on. You can also come to their website which is moneyinminutes.ng to see the features, why you should use them, what you will benefit while collecting loan, and as well as the interest rate, what they will charge you when you actually request a loan from them. You can also reach out to them and contact the customer support to make an inquiries based on what you actually need before you can proceed on requesting a loan from them. I used to mention that before you proceed and collect or borrow a loan online, you need to look into their reviews, feedback that people actually comment on that particular app, on that particular loan app, before you can proceed on collecting app, because different kind of people face different kind of experience. You might actually need a loan for a business or a personal purpose, and you might also face different kind of issues. So but using the review section on every of these app will give you more ideas on what people are facing, and if that kind of issue was under what you actually needed, so you'll be able to see that kind of issue before you proceed on collecting a loan from any of these online money apps. So you can also check on this website and also reach out to the customer support here or through their email to make some inquiries on how the app actually works, how much the interest rate be before you proceed on requesting for a loan on this money in minutes platform. With this, you'll be able to get the whole idea if this platform is actually right for you or not before you decide on what next to do. This is just what I have for you in this video on how you can actually get up to 5 million naira loan for a business or any kind of reason you actually have. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel. I'll see you in the next one. Peace.